Christine Garrow, and it's time for another episode of Creation Studio Grab and Go. For the month of October, we are going to be making pastel chalk outline art. This is an opportunity for you to come into the youth area of the Bettendorf Public Library and pick up a bag of supplies to make a fun craft. If you have not already gotten your bag of supplies for pastel chalk outline art, it is available when you come into the kids area of the Bettendorf Public Library. We will hand out 250 bags until we run out. Let's see what's inside my bag. First of all, we have a piece of pastel chalk. It could come in many colors, but it should show up on your black piece of construction paper. We also have 3 templates, and these each are fall themed. So we have a pumpkin, we have a leaf, and a scarecrow. Also inside the bag, there are always written instructions, which you can follow along with these and this video to see how the craft is done. So the first thing we want to do is take out our pastel chalk. Just be aware that this can crumble easily, so be very careful with it. Then you're going to set one of your templates onto the black construction paper. Next, you will take your pastel chalk and draw a thick border around the template while holding the template in place. If you're having trouble holding the template still, consider using a loop of painter's or masking tape on the back of the template to hold it in place. With the template still in place, you can then smudge the pastel chalk outline in an outward direction. And if you do not want to use your hand to do so, you can use a tissue or a cotton swab instead, and it will have the same effect. All you have to do then is remove your cardstock template to reveal your artwork. Keep in mind that you can use one template over and over again rather than using all 3. It is totally up to you how you make your pastel chalk outline art. We hope you enjoy making your own pastel chalk outline art. For the month of November, we are going to be making wood sliced turkeys. Until then, bye!